Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be covering designing a mobile application screen. You will learn how to apply colors, typography, and spacing effectively while creating modern and visually appealing mobile interface designs. By the end of this session, you will understand how to design clean, user-friendly, and visually engaging mobile application screen using Figma. Let's get started. All right, you are welcome. So in the previous class, we designed landing page. So I designed the hero section of the landing page, and I've also given you guys tasks to ensure that you do it. So now we are going to design a mobile application screen. So this is what we are going to design. This is what we are going to design. So so this is what we are going to design. All the resources you need, they are here. All the resources you need, they are here. So I'll put the link for you to download the resources in the description. Check the description for the link to download the resources. So I'm going to design the first screen and the second screen. Then you will complete the designs. So let's get started. I'm now in Figma. I'll create a new design file. Okay, please, if this thing is showing need more files, trying to ask you to subscribe. What you are going to do is go to draft. Go to draft. From here, you can create it. I think I've done something like that before earlier in the course. So I've created a new design file. So I'll pick a frame. So this one is a mobile application. So I'm going to use phone screen. So you can choose anyone. You can choose anyone. So I'm going to pick iPhone 16 and 17 Pro Max. There's no concrete reason for picking that, so you can just pick any phone screen of your choice. So now I have this. All right, like I said, I'm going to design this and this. So I'll just import this so that I can keep it side by side. So I'll just import this. First, I want to design this. Okay. The first thing is I'm going to change the color. I'll go to fill. So I'll pick the same color. I feel like this is a gradient. So I use gradient. This one now. I'll pick this one. This one. I'll pick this one. Alright. So I'll give the frame corner radius. Let's try 5. I think let's try 10. Alright. So I'll pick my ellipse tool. I'll draw a circle. Something like this. Then I'll place it at the center. What is the color? I'll pick this. Then this, like I said, all the resources they are here. I think, let me check what is here. Okay. So this is it. I'll drag it down here. So I'm going to resize it. I'm going to resize it. So I have something like this. Alright, so I'll pick my text tool and I will type enjoy you're enjoying your food. So I will increase the size. I will do align center, then I should use semi bold. I'll place it at the middle. All right. Okay, let me increase the size a bit. I think 48 will be okay. Then I'm done with that one. The button. So I'll pick my rectangle. I will draw something. Corner radius. I'll give it like 50. Let me try 50. Hmm. Let's try 35. Okay, I think it's almost close. Let's try 15. No, I should try like 30. Okay, 30 is okay. This thing is giving you issue. You can use this one. All right. So I'll just pick it. I'll just duplicate the text here. And that I'll take it front. I'm going to reduce the size. I will call it get started. Let me reduce to 30. Change the color to black. 6 zeros is the color code for black. So okay. I think I will still reduce the size a bit to like 28. Mm. All right. I think that is done. Okay. And now delete this one. I'll call this splash screen. So I'll create another, I'll pick another frame. The corner radius for this one was what? 10. Okay, I'll give this one 10 too. All right. So I'll bring it. This is what I'm going to design. So I'll drag it down here. Wow. So this one, this is where the work is. Okay. First thing first, grid. So you understand grid. It's familiar, right? Remember grid. So I'm going to apply grid. I click on plus. I'm going to use column grid. This one will be 8. Will be 8. Stretch. The margin will be 24, right? Gutter 16. So I have grid. Like I say, grid is very, very important. The first one here is the menu. The menu text. I'll call it menu. I can give it like 32. Okay, 36 is okay. Keep it like this. Then I'm going to do this. Let me do something. Hmm. So I want to do this. All right. I'll pick my ellipse tool. I will draw a circle. I'll draw a circle. Let's look at it. Same alignment with the text, okay? So I want to put what we have here. Let me zoom it. Let's bring it down. So this is what I'm going to do. What you will do is, why I'll select the circle, right click. Now I'll select it, then go outside, right click, and go to Unsplash plugins. So I said I'm looking for profile picture. I will just pick any one. Okay, this is the one we have there. You can pick any one. So I'll pick this guy. Okay, and see automatically to just go inside. Automatically to go inside fitted very well for this. So there's one thing too. Let me do something here. If you have your own picture already, let me check my laptop where I can get a picture. If you have your own picture already, like something like this, let's say I'll pick this picture or this one. I'll drag this one. If you have your own picture already, which is inside your laptop, you can bring it. Can bring it. So always work with zoom in, zoom out, zoom. So I'm going to put this inside. What you are going to do now is, I'll select the shape. This is a circle. I will select the picture to both of them. I will right click and I will say use as marks. So it will go inside. So I will click on only the picture. Now I'll click on only the picture. I'll click on only the picture. Then I will now resize it. I will keep it very well. So you can see this. So you want to do it on using your, if you have a picture in your system, you can use this method. But if you use on Splash plugin, we just insert it. So I'll delete this. This was just for explanation. I'll delete that. All right, let's continue. The next thing is the search bar I have here. Here is this one. Okay. The next thing is the search bar I have here. So the search button here. So I'll pick my rectangle. I'm going to maintain I'll use the grid to guide myself. I'll turn this to, I'll give a corner radius of 100. Then I'll just copy the picture I have here. All right. So I'll type search. I'll just duplicate this. I'll take it off so I can see it. I'll now type search. I'll reduce the size to like 32. Okay, let me use 30. 30 is okay. I'll drag it a bit. The color, I'll just reduce the opacity so that I can Just reduce the, let me look at this one. Okay. I just reduce the opacity. The text should be at least medium. The size is still too big. I use like 24. Okay, 24 is okay. I'll put it at the middle. I'll shift it a bit. So this search icon here, I'll go to I'll go to plugins. I'll use material design icons. So I'll look for search icon. I just I just search for search. So this is it. I'll pick this one. Automatically I have it here. I'll reduce the size. I'll drag it down here. Let me increase this a bit. Alright. I'll reduce the opacity. Okay. So what next? We'll ensure it's at the middle. Okay, so what next? I have this. This is going to take time. But let me, you guys should just follow along. I might be a bit faster. So I will give this 15. 15 is okay. So I'll pick the picture. I'll pick the picture down here. The pictures, they are too big. The resolution is too big. So I'll adjust it. I'll put it here. The rectangle, I'll give it a color. I'll pick this one. So I'll pick a text tool and I will type or I reduce the opacity. Okay. So I'm going to group this. I'll call it plate 1. What I will do now is I will just duplicate this. I'll select it and I will just duplicate it. I'll just duplicate it. You can see. I'll just duplicate this. Ensure they are well aligned. I'll just duplicate this. Take this to this. Okay. No, it's not well aligned. Okay. It's well aligned now. So I will call this burger. I'll call this pizza. I'll call this dessert. Okay, the text seems too big. I'll reduce it to like 18 or 16 is okay. Alright. So I'll choose 16. Okay, so I'm done with that. Okay, I'll just change the, I'll click on the shapes. This is the shape. Then this is for this one, remains one. So I'll change the color for the three shapes. Uh, I'll pick the color here. All right. You can you can turn off the this thing to see what you are doing. You can turn off the grid. At least you see what you are doing now. So let's bring it back. Okay, next one. We are progressing. So let's do this one. What is the size? Should it be 15? Okay. Then I'll bring the picture, this picture. You really need to press and hold your shift and alt. Just resize this. Okay. Click on the rectangle again. Let's apply the color. It's gradient. So let's use it. This one for this one, and this one for this one. All right. Today's offer. So this one now. I think I have this here. Okay. I just copy the text. Put my text too. So I'll use the align left. Can increase the size a bit. Let me use like 18. Okay. I'll duplicate this. I will type promotions. Text, the text is black. Um, so to increase the size a bit to like 24, then I will drag it. Should be here. Okay. You can see how we are using the grid to align things. I'll reduce the opacity a bit. All right. So I'm done with this. We are almost there. So I'm doing this one. So I'm using if you can see, I've not changed this, the images here. So I think that is less. You want, since this one is a guide, you want take your time, change the images. So I'll just copy this. I will. Okay. Let me go for the text first. I will say beef burger. So I will just use I use like 16. or 15. 15 should be okay. Reduce the opacity a bit. One thing about grid is when you are working with when you are working with grid, this is a card. I'm creating a card. So it's only this shape, the rounded rectangle, that should be on the grid. Like now I'm using the 4-column grid for this one. The other one will take the 4 columns too. So the text is not necessary. The image to so it's not necessary you align them to grid. What should be aligned to the grid is the rounded rectangle. So that is it for the grid. Now we'll just duplicate this. Um, please pardon me. I have to look for where I have my listing. Okay, I've seen it. The color is to reduce the size a bit. Then this color, where will I get this color? Can I just use? It might not be the same, but let me see if I can pick it. I've picked it. It's okay like this. It's okay. So let me zoom in. Best practice, always zoom in so that I can see what you are doing very well. I'll zoom out. Okay. Now is this stuff here. I think we did it once when we were creating cards. We are going to do it again. I'll open my Eclipse. I'll draw it somewhere. What is the color? Uh, let me change the color. It's green. Do not pick that color very well. Alright. Well done. Okay. I'll place it at the middle. This one is white. Then I'll duplicate it. I'm going to rotate it. Alright. Okay. Done. I will group it. Can call it plus. Okay. So let me see. Alright. This one and this one will have to go up. Let me pick this down here. I'll shift it inside. I'll shift it. Alright. I think that is done. Increase it a bit. So I will take this and this down a bit. Okay. So I'm going to group everything. I'll call it card 1. You can see how group is very, very important. So I will just duplicate it. Yeah, I will just change this one to cheese, cheese pizza. So we can change the image. For me, I will not worry about that one. Mm. And this is a pizza. Let me just change it. I'll delete this one and I'll put the pizza. All right. Now the last one, the icons here. So this one, what will I do? I'll use my plugins, which is material design icons. The first one is home icon. Just type for home icon. Okay, this one. Let me pick all the icons at once. I look for search. I'll pick this one. I look for cats. Cats. Outline. Okay, I'll pick this one. What next? So so to get this, I will search person. I will change it to field. I can just pick anyone. I'll pick this one. All right. So I have everything. Okay. First one is the home. I will take it here. So I'm going to change it from here. I will use 30. I will have to put 30 here again. So, but if you want to do that, just lock aspect ratio. So you can put here 40 and the other one will take 42. So it's better that way. I'll keep it close to the, all right. Then the search still 40. I didn't lock the aspect ratio. Lock is still 40. Uh, then this one, I lock the aspect ratios. I'll give it 40. Then the last one, give it 40. I think 40 is too small for that guy. I'll remove only the vector. I'll delete this one. So I'll give it 40. I didn't lock it. So like the 40 is too big. I'll give it like 35. Okay. I think it's okay like this. Oh, it's okay. So reduce the opacity 44. I'll reduce the opacity for this guy. And just type 44 at once. Come on, guys. I think I've done justice to this. This is menu, the menu screen. So what is remaining? This thing has something here, so this one is not difficult. You just pick your ellipse, draw something like this. What is the color? Okay, the same color with this. And you pick your text tool and you type one. What is the color? Since the colors is black, let's use black first. Now check it. Then I change the size to, let me try like 6. So take it inside here. So what's the color of that one? Okay, it's white. So change the color to white. So that's all. That's all. That's all. Think the only thing left here is just to change this, and change this. Think that's the only thing left. So let me just change that so that I will ensure that I did justice to it. Okay, let me lock the aspect ratio. Let me give it like 70. Okay, think this is okay. Let me give it like 60. Okay, I think I should delete this one too. What is here? Okay, I'll just change it from here. I'll give this 60. Where is it? Ah, here's the image I brought. Okay, let me go back. This is the image, right? Let me give it 60. Where did it go to? Oh, see where the image go at. I delete this. What is there? Okay, I'll drag it down here. Just resize it. Let me see, give it 60. All right. So guys, it's done. This guy now will change it to, I use this color for it. Uh, so when you're having this one, we have the vector and the rectangle. So always use the main this thing. So I'll give it. Alright guys, so let me turn off the grid. You could see how grid was able to guide us to do our design very well. So let me turn off the grid. I'll click on the frame. So I'll turn off the grid. You can see now. Okay, I missed something. This, I'll call it popular. Okay, How is it, guys? Done and dusted. Nice. Everything came out very well. So I'll now delete this one. Let's log this one. I'll now delete this one. So I've been able to design this and this. So you are going to complete the designs. Design this one, design this one, design this one, because you will need it for prototype. So I already have these designs, the one I've done. So I'm just doing this to guide you. So you now complete it by doing the rest. Take your time and do it. So we've done first the landing page and I've done the mobile application screen. So that is it, guys. That is it for this session.